Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English Conversations. My name is Alex.
Hi, Alex. Hi, everyone. It's really nice to be here with you again.
How are you feeling today, Sarah?
Today, I feel calm. A little slow, a little quiet, but I like it.
That sounds like a good day. Sometimes slow days are the best days.
Yes, especially when life feels busy.
Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button if you enjoy calm conversations like this.
You can also share this with a friend who is learning English.
We really appreciate your support. So, Alex, I have a question for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
Have you ever gone to the market just to buy something simple, but something unexpected happened?
Yes, actually many times.
Same here.
Markets are interesting places.
Yes, they are not just about food.
They're about people, moments, little surprises,
So today, we are talking about buying things at the market.
but also the stories behind those moments. So, let's start simple. My name is Alex. I'm 29 years old. I live in Toronto, Canada.
And I'm Sarah. I'm 27 years old. I live in London, in the UK.
Do you like living in London?
Yes, I do. It's busy, but also full of life.
What kind of place do you live in?
I live in a small apartment. It's not very big, but it's comfortable.
That's important.
There is a small park near my home, and every weekend there is a market.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, especially in the morning.
I live in an apartment too, on the 10th floor.
Oh, do you like the view?
Yes, at night, the city lights are beautiful.
You know, when I go to the market, I feel different.
Different how?
I feel relaxed. I walk slowly. I don't rush.
That's nice.
I look at the fruits, the colors, and I listen to people talking.
Yes, markets are full of sounds.
Children laughing, people talking, bags moving, footsteps.
It feels alive.
Exactly.
Supermarkets feel very different.
Yes, they feel cold sometimes.
Too quiet, too fast.
Yes, in markets, people connect more. Okay, I want to tell you something.
I'm ready.
This happened last month.
All right.
It was early morning, and I didn't sleep well the night before.
That's always a problem.
Yes, I was tired and a little confused.
Dangerous combination.
Exactly. So I went to the market to buy tomatoes.
Simple plan.
Very simple. I walked to a seller. He smiled at me.
Nice.
And I said, "Can I have 1 kilo of potatoes?"
Oh no.
Yes, he didn't ask questions. He just gave me a big bag.
Did you realize it?
No, I smiled, paid, and went home.
That's the best part.
When I got home, I opened the bag.
And?
Silence.
Just silence?
Yes, I just looked at the potatoes and I said, "This is my life now."
That's funny.
But then I started laughing because it was my mistake.
What did you do with all the potatoes?
Everything. Fries, soup, baked potatoes, mashed potatoes.
Wow, you were creative.
After 3 days, I didn't want to see potatoes again.
I understand that. So, what do you usually buy at the market?
Fresh vegetables, fruits, bread.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I do. I enjoy simple cooking.
What's your favorite meal?
Vegetable soup. It's easy, warm, and healthy.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I try to cook, but I'm not very good.
That's okay.
Sometimes I just buy food and tell myself I will cook tomorrow.
Tomorrow never comes.
Exactly.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I do.
Do you like it?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
I understand that.
What about you?
I live alone too, but I visit my family often.
Tell me about them.
I have a younger brother. He's 22, and he studies engineering.
That's great.
Yes, he's very smart.
I have a sister. She's older than me.
Are you close?
Yes, we talk often.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's his name?
Max.
That's a good name.
He's a golden retriever.
So friendly.
Yes, he gets excited when I come home.
That's the best feeling.
Sometimes I bring him near the market.
Really?
Yes, people stop and talk to me because of him. You know, something special happened once.
Tell me.
I was at the market, just walking slowly,
Okay.
and suddenly I heard music.
Music?
Yes, a man was playing violin.
Oh, that sounds beautiful.
It was, but something interesting happened.
What?
People stopped walking.
Really?
Yes, one by one, people stopped.
That's powerful.
Even busy people, people with bags, people in a hurry.
They all stopped?
Yes, for a few minutes, no one was shopping.
Just listening?
Yes, and it felt like time slowed down.
Wow.
That's why I like markets. You never know what'll happen.
Do sellers know you?
Some of them do.
What do they say?
One seller calls me Apple Guy
That's funny.
because I always buy apples.
That's your identity now.
Yes, I accept it.
I have another story.
Let's hear it.
One time I went to a very big market.
Okay,
It was crowded, noisy, confusing.
sounds stressful.
Yes, and I got lost.
How?
Every place looked the same.
That happens.
I walked in circles again and again.
What did you feel?
At first, confused, then a little worried.
What did you do?
I saw a woman walking very confidently.
Confident people help.
Yes, I followed her.
Did she notice?
No, I was very quiet. And finally, she found the exit.
So she saved you.
Yes, without knowing.
Now we want to hear from you.
Yes, think about your own experience.
Do you like markets?
What do you usually buy?
Have you ever made a funny mistake?
Or had a special moment?
Today we talked about markets.
But also about small human moments.
The mistakes, the music, the smiles.
These simple moments are important.
For today's question,
Tell us your market story.
just 1 or 2 sentences is enough.
We really want to read your comments.
And if this helped you,
Please like, subscribe, and share.
take your time
Listen again, slowly.
and keep practicing.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and stay calm.